the another class of GNC Microbiology online course. Today we will discuss about very interesting microscope, the types of microscope, that is dark field microscope. This dark field microscope is actually used to visualize the image with a very good contrast, and the clear image can be produced. So this dark field microscope is generally an adjustment into the condenser such a way that the background will be a dark and the image will produce will be a very bright. So dark field microscopy is actually what the sample or the object they can see bright, okay, against the dark background, right? So this is the image from the bright field microscope, okay, where you can see the background is quite bright, okay, so that the image or the object it cannot be seen very clearly. So this another picture is what it is, the dark field microscope picture, where you see the background is completely dark so that there is a contrast is produced, so the image will seem quite clear and the bright, right? So this is the difference between the bright field and the dark field microscope. So dark field microscope, in which the object or the bacteria they can be seen bright against the dark background, right? So how this dark background can be created? In this particular ray diagram, you can see here, these are the light rays, okay, that is coming from the source, and this is the condenser, and this is a black rod you are seeing. This is called the annular stop. That is a dark metal ring is actually placed beneath the condenser, so that what will happen because of this annular stop, it blocks all the direct rays, okay, central rays को block कर देगा, as these central rays cannot pass through the condenser, right? So it blocks the central rays, right? And these outer rays, these are the outer rays, okay, only these outer rays they can fall onto the specimen like this. Here you can see specimen is here, okay, and only these outer rays they are falling onto the specimen, okay, and all these central rays they are blocked by what? They are blocked by the annular stop, okay. It is actually a metal plate which is placed beneath the condenser, okay. Condenser का use क्या है? Condenser is actually focus the light onto the sample. So condenser के नीचे what we will keep the annular stop. Now this annular stop will block the central ray, okay, allows only the outermost rays fall onto the sample, okay. So these outermost rays when falls onto the sample, then these rays either they refracted, okay, or diffracted, and then some of will enter into the objective lens, right? So objective lens में जो ray जाएगी उसी का image आपको यहाँ ocular lens में मिलेगा, okay. So the image will be produced in the ocular lens or the eyepiece, okay. So outermost rays will falls onto the sample and then enters into the objective lens, and then finally image can be seen into the eyepiece, right? Rest of these refracted lights, okay, these particular lights will not enters into the objective lens, so no image will be produced. So this is what the main criteria to create a black background, right? So two things are very important here. One is what? One is the indirect light, that is the light coming from the source which is not blocked by the annular stop, and direct light are those light which are actually blocked by the annular stop, okay. Annular stop is actually what? It is the metal plate placed beneath the or below the condenser which blocks the direct rays, okay. So these are the two rays actually they are produced and they falls onto the specimen, right? So in this ray diagram generally here we can see this is our annular stop. This is the metal ring, right? This is the condenser, okay, and this is what? This is the source. So from the source the light rays will pass, okay, and will reach to the stage. Stage पे क्या है आपका? Stage पे है आपके samples, right? So because of this annular plate or the annular stop, what is happened? All the central rays or the directive they are being blocked. ये block हो गया. So बाकी के जो outermost rays है, these rays only will can travel and falls onto the sample. आपका sample जो stage पे रखा है यहाँ पे like this, right? So this microscope uses what? It uses refracted light instead of transmitted light, right? So this is what the transmitted light is already blocked. So only reflected light will fall onto the specimen. In this particular microscope, the light is blocked, okay, so that it's scattered when it falls onto the specimen. Okay, so this is, you can call the scattering, right? They scatter in all direction, right? They scatter in all direction. Okay. So annual plate is very important point here because it directs the central ray, right? So the scattered light which falls onto the specimen, ठीक है, और बाकी के पूरे डायरेक्ट लाइट को ब्लॉक कर देगा ये, राइट? सो जब these scattered light, these and these scattered light when falls onto the sample is here, right? A cone of light is produced. Okay, so this is called the cone of light, hole. Okay, this particular hole. Okay, now this cone of light is what? Some are diffracted, some are reflected और some are refracted. That means कोई डिफ्रैक्ट हो रहा है, कोई रिफ्रैक्ट हो रहा है, कोई रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा है, ठीक है? सो जो सैंपल से गिरी हुई लाइट है जो ऑब्जेक्टिव के अंदर जाएगा वहीं पे आपको यहाँ पे इमेज मिलेगा, ठीक है? सो in this way we can create the dark background by blocking the central ray and allowing the outermost ray to fall onto the sample. Okay? और जैसे ही सैंपल पे ये outermost ray fall होगा वो रेज क्या करेंगे, वो डिफ्रैक्ट होंगे, रिफ्लेक्ट होंगे एंड देन एंटर्स इनटू द ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस और फिर ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस पे आपको इमेज मिलेगी. वो इमेज कैसे रहेगी? इट इज द डार्क बैकग्राउंड रहेगा क्योंकि सेंट्रल लाइट ब्लॉक हो गया जिसकी वजह से बैकग्राउंड ब्लैक हो गया एंड द सैंपल जो होगा वो आपको ब्राइट दिखेगा, ठीक है? सो दिस इज व्हाट द मेन मैकेनिज्म ऑफ डार्क फील्ड माइक्रोस्कोप, ठीक है? सो दिस एनुलर प्लेट इज व्हाट इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, okay, to create the dark background. So in this dark field illumination, okay, generally this is what is a bright image, okay? The bright image में उतना clear नहीं दिखेगा. So dark background से what will happen? The image will be very clear. We use the condenser. This condenser is a very similar to the bright field condenser. Only the difference is what? It is having the dark field stop. Okay? This dark field stop, actually what they do, it blocks the central ray. Okay, so blocking of the central ray, only the reflected light will enters into the objective lens. Okay, therefore it produces this image like this, right? So this particular image will have the dark background, right? So this dark field stop actually helps in the transfer of the light, okay, and this blocks the central rays like this. Therefore the only some light will get refracted and central light will reach to the objective lens and produce the image exactly. Moving on to next, it is how exactly the image are produced. You can see here, these are the image, okay, this is bright field image and this is the dark field image, okay? So it is useful for viewing the very thin bacteria. Thin bacteria, generally bacteria, they have the flagella. Flagella are this, okay, this particular portion. These are the organ for the movement of a bacteria and they are very thin, okay. So generally they cannot be visualized by the bright field microscope. So to see the flagella, we generally do the dark field microscope. In the dark field microscope, we can see the flagella of a bacteria, okay. So flagella is what? It is the organ of locomotion, that is called, it helps the motility of the bacteria. Also we can use unstained species can be used. Now staining and unstaining is what? Coloring means staining, okay. So we can color the bacteria so that we can see the bacteria into the microscope. But sometimes coloring the bacteria kills the bacteria or destroys structure. Therefore sometimes few bacterial cells, they are has to be observed under unstained situation. That means they do not need to get colored, right? So unstained bacteria they can also use for the observation by the dark field microscope. So here you can see this is a bright field image and this is the dark field image, right? So the dark field image can be very clearly visible rather than the bright field microscope. Okay, so this is the basic difference between this bright field and the dark field microscope, right? So in this particularly dark field microscope allow to observe the dark background, right? So it consists of what? It consists of detector, magnifier and the light source. Okay, so these, and this is what is the screen. Okay, so when the light falls onto the sample, so through the condenser it reaches to the area, but यहाँ पे central ray block हो गया, only outer rays are the transferring. Okay, when we put the sample, what will happen? All the rays will transfer through the bacteria and reach to the detector. So we'll see the image here. Okay, refracted light goes out of the plane, so they cannot be seen. So sample appear on the screen. So all the refracted rays will not reach to the detector. Only the light which is coming from the sample, they can be reached to the particular detector. Okay, so in this way generally the microscope, dark field microscope, is actually works. So in the dark field microscope, what basically we understand, it is what? It is the dark background will be there and image will appear as a bright. Okay, and how we create the dark background? It is by the keeping the annular stop below the condenser. Okay. Next important microscope is what? It is the phase contrast microscope. So we have to understand what is phase and what is the contrast. Okay, so phase contrast is what? It is the difference in the black and white color. Okay, that may contrast हम समझते हैं, right? The difference in the black and white color. Okay, phase is what? Phase is the light. Okay, light consists of what? Consists of the photons, and photons what they have? They have the wavelengths, right? So we will use the wavelength of a light in the order to create the change or difference in the white and the dark color. Okay. So by this phase contrast microscope, mostly the unstained living cells can be studied. Here the living cells we can study. That is the more important. In the order to study the bacteria, bacteria should be in a live state. So living bacteria can be studied. But what happened? Unstained living bacteria, they do not absorb any light. Okay, and therefore as they do not absorb light, there should not be any intensity. And because of the lack of the intensity, image जो है, they cannot be seen very clearly. ठीक है? So unstained के लिए फिर हम क्या करते हैं? Staining करते हैं, but staining kill the bacteria or destroy the structure. So आप उसको use नहीं कर सकते, right? So therefore what we'll do? We will use a phase contrast microscope to study the unstained living bacterial cells. Okay? So this microscope what generally do? It converts the phase shift. This is the phenomena. Okay, phase shift यानी क्या? The movement of a wavelength along the vector. Okay, आप wavelength समझते होंगे. Wavelength move in a particular direction. Okay, and this shift or the movement of the wavelength when it pass through the what? When they pass through the specimen. Okay, so this shift or the change in the movement of the wavelength can be used by this phase contrast microscope in the order to produce the image. वो image कैसे रहेगी? They have the difference in their brightness. Okay, some portion will be dark, some portion will be light. Okay, say now for example, when we have to study the bacterial cells, bacterial cell will consist of number of cell organelles. Okay, in each organelles they have their different refractive index. Okay, सबका refractive index अलग होगा. What is refractive index? Refractive index is the ability to bend the light. Okay, when the light pass through the particular medium, light get bends. That is called the refractive index. Right? So हर एक organelles के refractive index they are the difference. Okay? So this difference is actually cannot detected by our eyes. Right? Therefore we need the phase contrast microscope. This microscope converts the difference of the wavelength. Wavelength जब पास होगी स्पेसिमन से, वो अपना फेज या मूवमेंट है वो चेंज करेगी. ठीक है, सो इट कन्वर्ट द डिफरेंस इन द वेवलेंथ इनटू डिफरेंस ऑफ व्हाट, वो इंटेंसिटी को डिफरेंस करेंगे, यानी इंटेंसिटी में कम या ज्यादा. और इंटेंसिटी व्हेन गेट रिड्यूस और इंक्रीज, इसका मतलब क्या है, either darkness or the brightness will be produced. Okay, intensity of a light change means the background, that is the brightness or the darkness, will also change. Okay, and this intensity which can be finally visible to the human eye. Okay, that is the image will be produced by the microscope. So phase contrast microscope convert what? Convert this small change in the wavelength of a light. Okay, wavelength of a light change क्यों होगी? Because of the cell component. Okay, and this small phase can be made visible by the microscope. Okay, so this is what the principle. Every organelles have their own different refractive index, and when the light pass through these cell organelles, they bend the light or they change the wavelength path in a different direction. This change in the wavelength path will be recorded by the microscope in the order of brightness and the darkness. So आपको brightness और darkness यानी एक particular contrast मिलेगा. Because of this you can see the bacterial cells, right? Here we can see this. Say this is organelle, vacuole, granules, the nucleus. Okay, so many organelles are there, and when the light pass through these organelles, what will happen? Light they get deflect और bend. So vacuole से जब जाएंगे तो लाइट स्ट्रेट लाइन में जाएगा, ग्रेनुल्स में जाएंगे तो लाइट इस प्रकार से डिफ्लेक्ट होगा, न्यूक्लियस में जाएगा तो देयर विल बी लेस डिफ्लेक्शन. ओके, हर एक ऑर्गेनल्स का अपना अपना लाइट बेंडिंग की कैपेसिटी होती है, राइट? सो दिस इज व्हाट द वेवलेंथ. ओके, वेवलेंथ मूव इन दिस पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन, राइट? एंड दिस इज व्हाट द वेवलेंथ व्हिच इज अनअफेक्टेड, दैट मीन्स वेवलेंथ पासिंग इन अ वैक्यूम. यहाँ पे बिना स्पेसिमेंस के जब पास होगा तो वेवलेंथ जो है वो नॉर्मल अपने डायरेक्शन में जाएगी, राइट? बट व्हेन इट पास थ्रू दी मीडियम या फिर स्पेसिमन या फिर बैक्टीरिया, क्या होगा? यहाँ पे देखो द मूवमेंट हैज बीन चेंज. ठीक है, यहाँ पे देखो मूवमेंट हैज बीन चेंज. दैट मीन्स वेवलेंथ की जो मूवमेंट है या एम्पलीट्यूड है वो चेंज हो रहा है. ठीक है, व्हेन दे आर पासिंग थ्रू दी ऑब्जेक्ट से जब पास होंगे तो इनका मूवमेंट चेंज होगा. अनअफेक्टेड वेव में क्या है? यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है तो दे विल पास इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन डायरेक्शन. यहाँ पे वेवलेंथ एग्जैक्टली मूव करी है, यहाँ पे कोई चेंज नहीं हो रहा. ठीक है, इसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? इसको बोलेंगे हम फेज शिफ्ट. ठीक है, यही फेज शिफ्ट इस माइक्रोस्कोप में यूज किया जाएगा. दैट मीन्स दिस माइक्रोस्कोप विल record this change in the movement of the wavelength in the order to produce what? In the order to produce the image of with brightness and the darkness. Okay. See the working mechanism of this. Okay. As I told you, there are the two most important things. This is this annular diaphragm, and the second is what? It is the phase plate. Okay, phase plate and the annular diaphragm, they are the two most important factors into the phase contrast microscope. So what will happen when we turn on the light source? Okay, light will reach to the detector, reach to the condenser, but this light coming from what? Coming from the annular diaphragm. So ये annular diaphragm क्या करेगा? Only external light rays will allow to pass. Okay, and all the central rays they will be blocked. Okay, so the outermost rays they are passing and will falls onto the आपका यहाँ पे रहेगा specimen यानी object यानी bacteria. So outermost rays they pass through the condenser, falls onto the specimen. फिर specimen क्या करेगा? They will absorb the light और unabsorb the light. ठीक है, दो प्रकार की लाइट, वो कुछ लाइट जो आ रहा है वो उसको absorb करेगा या फिर नहीं करेगा. So this is what? This is the unabsorbed light and this is the absorbed light by the bacteria. Okay, so ये both light, okay, these and this, that is reflected and deflected light, absorbed and unabsorbed light will be then pass कहाँ पे? To the object. Okay, object दोनों लाइट को लेगा. एक जो लाइट है जो absorb नहीं किया बैक्टीरिया ने, दूसरा लाइट जो बैक्टीरिया ने absorb किया, दोनों लाइट will reach to the objective here. Okay, and from objective यहाँ पे क्या रखा है? यहाँ पे रखा है this is called the phase plate. Okay, phase plate, it is having the is kind of a ring. Okay, this ring is having this particular area. Okay, thinner area and the thicker area. ठीक है, दो एरिया होते हैं जहाँ से लाइट पास होगा. ठीक है. So unabsorbed, that is reflected light and absorbed light. Okay, ये दोनों लाइट ये फेस प्लेट से पास हो गए, they pass through this. So some light will pass through the thicker area of the face plate or some pass to the thinner area of the face plate. ठीक है, एक लाइट थिन एरिया से जाएगा, एक लाइट थिक एरिया से जाएगा, एंड फाइनली वो पहुंचेगा यहाँ रिकॉर्डर पे जहाँ पे इमेज बनेगी. ओके, सो जितना लाइट पास हो रहा है, डायरेक्ट लाइट पास हो रहा है, एब्सॉर्ब लाइट पास हो रहा है, इस हिसाब से ब्राइटनेस एंड द डार्कनेस विल बी created, and that difference in the brightness and darkness will be produced in the form of a image here. तो आपको एक particularly well contrast image यहाँ पे मिलेगी. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे दो चीजें इंपॉर्टेंट है. कौन सी है? the annular diaphragm and the second is what the phase plate. ओके, ये दो चीजें एक्स्ट्रा है. डार्क फील्ड में क्या था? सिर्फ एक एनुलर स्टॉप था यहाँ पे कंडेंसर के नीचे, बट यहाँ पे एनुलर स्टॉप भी है और दूसरा है एक्स्ट्रा इज व्हाट इज द फेस प्लेट. ठीक है, सो लाइट सोर्स से जो रेज जाएगी विल फॉल ऑन टू द स्पेसिमम. स्पेसिमम विल एब्सॉर्ब द लाइट और विल नॉट एब्सॉर्ब द लाइट. दोनों एब्सॉर्ब एंड नॉन एब्सॉर्ब लाइट विच देन फॉल्स ऑन टू द फेस प्लेट. थ्रू द फेस प्लेट दे मूव फ्रॉम द थिकर पार्ट और द थिनर पार्ट. थिकर पार्ट कौन सा है? ये है. थिनर पार्ट कौन सा है? ये है. यहाँ से दे विल पास, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द पासिंग ऑफ इनकरेक्ट पासिंग ऑफ द लाइट, यानी कोई कम ज्यादा आ रहा है या कोई कम आ रहा है. ठीक है, सो डिफरेंस इज देयर, दैट मीन्स ब्राइटनेस कम है या फिर डार्कनेस ज्यादा है, एंड दिस कैन बी रिकॉर्डेड एंड इमेज विल बी प्रोड्यूस. ठीक है, दिस इज द मैकेनिज्म. So after this the image will be like this. Okay, so you can see this is bright field image. Okay, this is the dark phase contrast. यानी कि जितने भी सेल ऑर्गेनल्स है या फिर सेल्स है, इनमें ब्राइटनेस और डार्कनेस को काफी क्लियरली विजुअलाइज किया गया है. यहाँ पे देयर इज नो कॉन्ट्रास्ट, या मीन्स एवरीथिंग सीन एज अ ब्राइट, बट यहाँ पे सम एरिया सीन एज अ डार्क एंड सम एरिया सीन एज अ लाइट, एंड दिस इज व्हाट द डिफरेंस इन द वेवलेंथ. सम विल एब्सॉर्ब लेस, सम विल एब्सॉर्ब मोर, यानी जो एब्सॉर्ब लेस होगा वो डार्क दिखेगा, वो जो एब्सॉर्ब मोर होगा वो लाइट दिखेगा. सो दिस डिफरेंस इन दी wavelength will be recorded by the phase contrast microscope. So phase क्या है? Phase is a light. Contrast is what? The difference. यानी लाइट के डिफरेंस को रिकॉर्ड करता है ये माइक्रोस्कोप, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस यू विल सी दी क्लियर इमेज रादर देन दी ब्राइट फील्ड माइक्रोस्कोप, राइट? So as I talked about this rings, okay, annual rings and the phase rings. So phase annual ring is present into the condenser, okay, which actually allows the outermost rays, okay, and blocks the central rays, right? And the second plate, that is called phase plate, is present into the objective lens, okay. So when the light source passes, it passes through the annular diaphragm here and then objective lens, right? When the light passes through the sample, okay, a phase is shifted, means there is a change in the phase, and because of the phase the refractions is produced, that is the light diffract in many directions, and because of this what there is a refraction of the light in the many direction, and when this light pass through the phase plate, okay, from the thinner part or the thicker part, okay, so the darkness will produce when it pass through the thicker light, okay, thicker portion of the face plate. When it pass through the central or the thinner part, the light will produce, that is the bright light will produce, okay. So based on these light which pass through which area of the phase ring, the brightness and the darkness accordingly will produce, okay. So thinner area से जाएगा तो dark produce होगा, thicker area से जाएगा light produce होगा, okay. So in this way generally the mechanism is of this microscopy, okay. So this is what exactly I talked about this. Dark image is produced when the light is passed through the thinner area of the face plate, and bright image will produce because when this pass through the thicker area of the face plate, ठीक है. जहाँ से वो जाएगा उस हिसाब से ब्राइट और डार्क इमेज वो प्रोड्यूस होंगी, एंड अल्टीमेटली आपको वो फिर उस हिसाब से डिफरेंस वाली इमेज मिलेगी जहाँ पे कुछ डार्क रहेगा कुछ लाइट रहेगा. Exactly this. So the rays that is absorbed and unabsorbed rays when pass through the face plate, which portion of the face plate से वो जा रहे हैं, thinner part से जा रहे हैं, thicker part से जा रहे हैं, and based on this we will get the image difference, that is the bright or the dark image वाला दिखेगा आपको. So the phase contrast microscope consists of the plates, annular diaphragm, source. Okay. So when the light is actually transferred through the condenser, it transfers the annular phase. Outermost rays will reach to the detector, right? Okay, it will be seen on the clear. When we add the sample, what will happen? Sample will refract some light, okay, that is absorb and unabsorb, and then we include the phase plate. This is the phase plate. Now phase plate में दो पोर्शन है, ये एक पोर्शन है एंड ये एक पोर्शन, ठीक है, थिनर एंड द थिकर पार्ट. तो जो थिनर से जाएगा वो डार्क दिखेगा, थिकर से जाएगा वो लाइट दिखेगा. So which create the phase contrast, that is the scattered light interfere with the dark light. Okay, in this way generally we get the image, right? So advantage is what? Unstained species, as I talked about already, can be used, and live cells can be seen by this microscope. Highly transparent cells also can be exactly seen. We can see the motility of a bacteria, that in a thinner part of a bacterial cell, that is called the flagella. That flagella can be visualized by this phase contrast microscope. Also the chromosomes and the vacuoles, the internal organelles of the bacteria can be visualized. Okay. It also made biologists possible to study the living cells, and the proliferation, that is cell division, also can be studied. Okay. So these are what the advantages of the phase contrast microscope. Exactly, right? So thank you for the patience listening. So these are the two different microscopes, dark field microscope and the phase contrast microscope. Dark field microscope में क्या होगा? The objects seen bright against a dark background. And phase contrast में क्या होगा? Phase contrast में you will see the clear image. Some portion is a bright, some portion is a dark. Okay. So there is the change in the phase. That means the contrast होगा light में, and because of the image can be seen very clearly. Okay. So this is for all for the today. We'll continue in the next classes. Thank you.